Witness safety in action with a live drop test demonstration of the Trirex Mobile Fall Protection Cart. See this innovative fall protection solution arrest a simulated fall with precision and reliability. Drop tests will take place at the top of every hour during show hours, providing frequent opportunities to see the Trirex in action. Interested in a custom demonstration for your team? Contact us prior to the show to schedule an appointment tailored to your company or group. Don't miss this chance to explore the cutting-edge technology that makes the Trirex a trusted name in fall protection. Stop by booth 1069 for live demonstrations, expert insights, and information on how the Trirex can enhance safety on your job site.